everyone, my name is Jessie Polivka and I'm your son or daughter's Living Earth teacher. I wanted to welcome you to back to school night this year. On the screen you can see my email address. Feel free to email or contact me anytime with any questions or comments, concerns about your child. A little bit background information about myself. This is my 9th year at Los Lomas. I teach Living Earth and also AP Biology this year. Also, over the years, I've taught AP Environmental Science for a few years. I taught Physiology. And then before coming to Los Lomas, I taught 7th grade Life Science. I got my biology degree from Cal Poly San Luis Obispo. I've done a few research opportunities. I really enjoy biology. It fascinates me. I'm excited to teach your children about it. At San Francisco State, we were looking at different fish species and trying to identify if they had multiple mates per brood, so running paternity tests and DNA sequencing. In Costa Rica, I spent a month there. We were cataloging the poisonous dart frogs as they were an indicator species of the dolphins in the bay. And then I've also done a 2-year fellowship over at Cal, looking at yeast and particular proteins in their cell membrane and trying to identify what they interact with, like other proteins that they interact with, and their functions. The picture actually on this last slide here, I was a mentor at JBay, which is a biology lab in Emeryville. They are looking, one of their their big research projects is biofuel production. So in this case here, the picture, I was working with a group of high school students and I was their mentor in trying to identify particular bacteria that were able to break down cellulose, which is needed to produce biofuel in the way that they were looking at. So that's what was going on in that picture. So the Living Earth course is the 9th grade science class that all freshmen take. In our district, we have a 3-course science model where they take Living Earth their freshman year, then their sophomore year they take Chemistry of the Earth, and then their junior year they take Physics of the Universe. And all 3 of those courses have earth science and engineering practices embedded within them. Here's a picture of the textbook. All of the students should have a hard copy at home. If they didn't get a copy of that, please have them email me and let me know. There's also a version online that I'm going to show them how to access that. So that way, if they don't have the hard copy or if they'd rather look at it online, they are able to do that. Here are some of the topics that we go over. We start with cells and DNA and then move into photosynthesis, cellular respiration, the carbon cycle, how does it all fit together. We talk about genetics and evolution, and then we end the year with ecology and looking at ecosystem stability and how has climate change affected ecosystems, how have humans impacted ecosystems, and ties it all together throughout our whole year, looking at everything from a bigger lens. The last thing here, WCEF, I just wanted to throw this out there. They fund a lot of our programs, AP Biology being one of them, our electives, our wellness, technology, which this year is very important. So I just wanted to thank WCEF and thank anyone who contributes for in my case, our science classes, but also everything else that you do for the school. So thank you very much. Again, here's my email address. Feel free to email me if you have any further questions. And I look forward to having an exciting year with your son or daughter in Living Earth. Thank you.